Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this, Romanov Space Princess look. And I am starting off by taking the coverage foundation from The Ordinary, and I am putting this all over my face. And then I will also be putting this down my neck and also down my chest. Now I'm taking the Milessis Active Highlight from Emite makeup, and I am putting this on all the high points of my face. And I'm blending it out using my beauty blender, just like I blended out my foundation. For powder, I am as usual taking the Sheer Finish Loose powder from Lumene, and I am putting this all over my face and also down my neck and chest. And here's me getting really into the Greatest Showman soundtrack. Now I'm taking the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this very iridescent color, and it's called Iman, and I will now be putting this on all the high points of my face. Now I'm taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and this pinkish reddish color, and I will be contouring using this. And I'm also contouring down my neck and my chest. taking this purple color, also from the Zulu palette, and I am just deepening the contour using this. And I went back in with that pinkish reddish color to contour my nose. Now I'm taking the Ultimate Shadow Palette in Brights from NYX, and I'm taking this hot pink color and I am smoking this from the crease up. Smoking it up, blending it up. Anyways, you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm taking this light purple color and I'm putting this in my crease, and then I will also be blending it out to make it not as harsh. Now I'm taking this dark purple color from that same palette and I am putting this in, well, on the outer portion of my lid. Now I'm going back in with the Zulu palette and I am taking this glittery color and I will be putting this on the middle part of my lid, and I am applying this with a wet brush. And now I'm going back in with the color Iman from the Saharan palette. I am putting this in my inner corner just to really brighten it up. And I'm also putting it on my brow bone. Taking the One Color Impact in Orange Crush from Oriflame, and I will be doing my brows with this. Now I'm taking Iman again, and I am highlighting my collarbones and also my neck. Now I'm going back in with that dark purple color from the Ultimate Shadow palette by NYX, and I'm putting this below my lower lash line. And I'm putting that glittery color from the Zulu palette on the middle part. And I'm putting the color Iman in my inner corner, but the lower part. And once again, I'm getting really into the music. Now I'm taking the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline. I'm putting the black part on my upper waterline and the white part on my lower waterline. For mascara, I am grabbing the Motion Allowed mascara from Icona Milano, and I'm putting this on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm taking this glitter from Peggy Sage. I think it's in the color Blanc, and also the mixing liquid from Makeup Store. And I'm putting this glitter on basically all places I have put the color Iman earlier. Now I'm taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Run the World. I will be putting this on the outer edges of my lips. Now I'm taking the color Tea and Cookies for the rest of my lips, and I will be blending the edges out. And now I'm taking the same glitter as earlier, and I'm putting it all over my lips. And for lashes, I'm using the All About Me lashes from Rebecca Stella Makeup. going back in with Orange Crush. I'm putting this in my hair. And I'm done. Romanov Space Princess. Yes. And here I am again, getting really into it. Anyways, you guys, this is the entire tutorial. I know it was super long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye!